The 2026 Toyota Store 6/6 Titan arrives as a bold vision of future adventure mobility from Toyota Motor Corporation, combining rugged capability with premium design. From the outside, the Titan commands attention with its massive 6x6 stance, aggressive LED lighting, muscular fenders, and aerodynamic body panels that blend utility with futuristic styling. Step inside and the cabin feels like a luxury lounge on wheels, featuring quilted leather seating, ambient lighting, panoramic glass roofing, and a fully digital cockpit with immersive infotainment and smart connectivity. Powering the Titan is a high-output hybrid twin-turbo drivetrain engineered to deliver smooth torque, confident off-road traction, and surprisingly refined highway cruising. Adaptive suspension and advanced terrain management keep the ride stable across sand, mud, and rocky trails. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Store 6/6 Titan stands out as an ultra-capable luxury explorer, offering head-turning presence, cutting-edge comfort, and performance that transforms every journey into an unforgettable experience.